Hey guys, it's Rusty here. Got my new glasses on. What do you think? I'm just joking. These absolutely look ridiculous. Let me put on my real ones. Anyhow, I wanted to show you these today because I got them at an antique store. You may not realize it, but some of these old, spectacles are actually made of gold, or they're gold filled. Oftentimes, the two best places to look are right here on the inside of the bridge of the nose, or on the side of the actual this piece here, whatever you call that. But in this case, it is etched right here. It says 1/20th 12 karat gold filled. Right there, Peaches. That's beautiful. So not a ton of gold content, but a lot of times they know that people aren't going to wear these. They're just for looks. And so I bought these today for $3. I'm going to be able to sell these for between $15 and $20. Sometimes people know what they are and they price them up high, but if you can ever find them for cheap, there are lots of people out there who buy these, melt them down for the gold, or they sometimes have other purposes for them. Sometimes put them in little shadow boxes or stuff like that. Can be really cool. Keep a lookout for these. Rusty, 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 how to? Rusty, 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 how to? Rusty, Rusty.